Good morning, everyone. I am Harshita Sherlin and I am from Mysore Road. So this is my second time being a part of Fame Game. Last time I was also selected for final level. So again, I have come to present my next game here. So this time I have not come with spin. I have come with cartoons or Avenger game, which will attract the students. So my main objective of the game is to enhance the vocabulary. And the use of this is that it is multi-purpose teaching aid, and also it's a game. It is not teaching aid, but it is a game which can be used as our teaching aid. And it is not only for the English teachers, but it can be used by all the subject teachers. And the purpose here, I am using it to enhance the vocabulary as mentioned before. So how do we play? What is the procedure? So participants should select one of the superhero, as I've named this as Avengers. So this child has to select one of the superhero and answer the questions that are asked by the superhero. So each superhero will have 3 questions, and the child should answer rightly for the 2 questions so that he will move for the next level. If the child is answering one right answer, then he will get back to the first level. So again, in the second level, we have another 3 superheroes, wherein he will have to choose the one of the hero and go to the, that will be the end, where he will have 2 questions in the second level. So the child has to answer to the questions. So how do we play? The participant is expected to read the question and the answer will be in objective type, wherein the child has to choose the option. What is the learning outcome of this game is that the game emphasizes on the enhancing the vocabulary, as I told before you. Who can play the game in the school? My focus for this is from grade 3 to 5. I have given the questions for grade 3 to 5. But this game can be played from K1, K2 and till grade 10. It can go to grade 12 also because it is Avengers. This I have used their Avengers Infinity War just to attract the students. So let's move ahead. So this is how the game starts. I click on play a game. So here I get 3 heroes, superheroes. They have their own powers. So I request one of you, maybe Shilpi ma'am can choose a hero over here.
Choose a hero. I don't know the names. Okay, I will have this. What is called with that blue one?
Captain America.
Yeah, Captain America. So sorry.
So here is the questions for him. So the questions related to him are of synonyms. So this is how it comes. So synonym of fantastic. So the right answer, ma'am, can you answer, ma'am? Shilpi ma'am, or anyone can try.
Oh my God. Okay, synonyms of spider.
Incredible, ma'am.
Incredible. Okay. So if that is the right answer, here we have right answer, and we will get 5 points to it. So the next question, we have to press on this button. So we will go to the next question. Again, this superhero has only synonyms for his questioning. Synonym of slender. So I request Sandhya ma'am to answer to this question.
Oh my.
Judge to Sandhya ma'am.
Slim.
Okay, so ma'am has said the right answer, but I'll click on the wrong answer so that I will show how was that wrong answer. If at all the child says wrong answer, it says, oops, wrong answer. And it will display the right answer. So the next question, as each superhero will have 3 questions. So this is the synonym of dismal. So synonym of dismal is gloomy. So the right answer. Again, he will get the 5 points. So now, so we have got 10 marks. So now we will have 3 points. This is the pointing, just to attract the students. I have put this points. So if at all the child has got 10, we will have the next slide which says that you are selected to the next level. If at all the child got less, that is 5 marks, so better luck next time. This is how it shows. And then when he clicks for the before slide where it says if the child has got 10 points, he can go to the second level. You have to fight the Thanos. Again, the second level of superheroes will be here. And if we click on one of the superhero, again the questions, 2 questions will be followed. But here the questioning will be on the higher end. As we have clues over here, a word that starts with letter V, which means business enterprise. So again, the answer, if we click on the right answer, it says right answer and we will get 5 points. If at all the answer is wrong, it says, oops, it's wrong answer and the right answer is. So if at all I click on the wrong answer, so this is how it displays. So this is the end of my slideshow, ma'am. Thank you so very much.